Okay, good morning everyone. We are group 7 today. We will discuss a report about compensation and benefits. So, personal and labor management, which is compensation and benefits. Understanding compensation and benefits for employee motivation and retention. Introduction. Compensation and benefits are key elements of labor management. Isa ni sa importante nga mga elemento sa mga trabahante. They influence employee satisfaction, motivation, and retention. Kani maka-impluwensya na sila sa mga trabahante. Masatisfy sila sa ilang sweldo, sa ilang trabaho. Nga ma-motivate po sila og trabaho kay tungod kay dako ilang sweldo og isa pod na sila mga allowance and then og makakuta na incentives. Organization compete for talent through active packages. Then definition of compensation. Payment or reward given to employees for their work. Pasabot sa compensation. Ang payment or reward given to employees para sa ilang trabaho. Muna ang sweldo, mga bonus. Types of compensation. There are two types of compensation, which is direct compensation and indirect compensation. Direct compensation, this is salary, wages, bonuses. Muna siya ang mga sweldo sa mga trabahante. Then, sweldo sa mga trabahante, mga bonus ipanghatag. Then, indirect compensation, muna siya ang mga perks, insurance, retirement benefits. Indirect benefits. For example, incentives, allowance, then profit sharing. Incentives, muna kita makakuta ka sa imuhang trabaho na incentives dugang 1,000. Then allowance, kanang for example, kanang mga biyahedor, mga driver, na sila allowance tag 200 kada adlaw. Profit sharing, kintahay makadako mo ka ng makabaligya mo nga na kintahay na ka sa mga selling, makabaligya mo tagaan ka og share sa mga 5% sa ilang nakita na nahalin. Then definition of benefits, siya ang non-wage reward provides to employees to enhance well-being. Mga dili mga kwarta nga gipanghatag ba, dili non-cash rewards provided to employees for well-being. For example, kanang tagaan kaniya og benefits nga kanang amuhan mo gym nga na tagaan kag card niya nga libre ka og pila ka buwan sa gym na sa mga pagkaon na kay murag voucher ba. Then definition of benefits, there are two types of these benefits. First is mandatory benefits and second is voluntary benefits. Ang mandatory benefits gi-required ni siya sa law, sa mga batas. For example, ang SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, kanang sa BIR, mga na. Mandatory ka na bang kinahanglan jud ang employer may muhatag nimo ana. Then next is voluntary benefits provided at employer's discretion. Well, for example, wellness program, gym membership, para ganiha katong giingon ho. Then voluntary benefits laing sample health insurance, tagaan kag nakay health insurance, retirement plans, paid training, kana mo training ka, for example kanang ipa-train ka atong laing lugar kay aron ma-enhance imong skill, bayad na siya. Then imong paniudto, then imong transportation allowance kanang pagpadung adto nya pauli pod mo siya mga voluntary benefits kanang ihatag jud voluntary pod sa mga employer.
Why compensation and benefits is important to the employees? First is to ensure financial security. Second is increases job satisfaction and morale. Third is encourage loyalty and long-term commitment. And fourth is motivates higher performance. Is example na is kanang sa isa kumpanya is nasa ipakita nga maayo nga to sa iyang employees. Ang employees ganahan siya mo trabaho gitahay ang kumpanya po naa siya mga kanang incentives. Ang isa po sa trabahante is ganahan siya maningkamot siyang trabaho para makuha niya ang katong incentives og kuan pa dog kanang mangingan na mulungtad pud ang isa ka trabahante ngadto sa kumpanya ug nasa mga benefits nga makuha sa kumpanya. Why compensation and benefits is important to employers? To attract and retain top talent, boost productivity and performance, and to improve company reputation and employer brand, and to reduce turnover cost. And there are the types of compensation: direct compensation and indirect compensation. Direct compensation is base na sa base pay, salary or wages, performance bonuses, commissions. And indirect compensation is health insurance, retirement plans, paid time off. And there are the types of benefits po: mandatory benefits and voluntary benefits. The mandatory benefits is na ang social security, healthcare contributions, paid leave. O ang voluntary benefits is na ang flexible working hours, employee wellness programs, and educational assistance.
Linking compensation to motivation. Recognize employee effort and achievement. Encourage higher performance. Increase engagement and satisfaction. Example, bonuses for meeting sales targets. Impact on retention. Competitive compensation reduce employee turnover. Employees stay longer when they feel valued. 3. Strong benefits attract top talent. Summary. 1. Compensation, monetary rewards. Benefits, non-monetary rewards. 2. Indirect versus direct compensation, mandatory versus voluntary benefits. 3. Fair compensation and benefits improve motivation, performance, and retention. 4. Benefits both employees and employers.